Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a light fixture. So here we've got an old floodlight that is out of the wall, but it is still connected. And we have a new floodlight that we are going to be putting in with daylight timer sensors. So that is what we've got going on. The first thing you want to do is kill the power. So you want to make sure that the breaker is off so that you will not get shocked if you touch them. Now, if you want to be daring or stupid or whatever you call it and work on it live, make sure you have a tool with insulated grips so that you will be safe. Next thing is you'll need this bar. Now this comes with the new fixture. It is going to be put right here with these screws also included in the fixture. You'll simply screw them in like so. Make sure you're in there as much as possible. Get that out of the way. Okay, so now that that is screwed in, the next thing you'll notice here is there's a green screw. This is for the ground wire. This is an old light, so there are only two wires, the hot and the cold, or live and regular. There's no ground. On the fixture is new, so we have the white, which is regular, neutral, hot, black, and green, which is ground. Now, because there's no ground wire here, we could do one of two things. We could either coil it up, stick it in the back and leave it, or because there's a ground right there, we could put it on here, but it's not going to do anything because the box is probably not grounded and there's no ground coming to it. So in order for a ground to be effective, it has to travel all the way back to the breaker and hit the ground circuits. Now, we don't have that, but what we're going to do is hook it up here anyway, because it won't hurt anything at all. So what the trick here, we can take the wire. It's a bunch of little wires, so we'll spin them around. You coil it right around the screwdriver. Make a nice little hook. Then we'll take that, put it around the screw, and then turn the screw. Now you want to make sure that your hook is going around in the direction you're turning the screw, so that as you turn the screw it pulls the wire around the screw. Alright, so we've got this now. The next step is going to be disconnecting the old light. So we will undo neutral first. These are plastic, so you can touch them if you want. But again, your power should be off, so it shouldn't be an issue. So we've got that one. And then the hot. There we go. Take this, get rid of it. No worries. Then we will straighten out these, hot to hot, cold to cold, with a wire nut. So we've got a wire nut, connect that up. Make sure you twist it on good, hand tight. You don't want to over crank it. Wire nut number 2 with the neutral. There we go. Then we've got our light now. These can be adjusted however you like. It's important that you have them about 20 degrees to have the water shed. And of course, you can have the daylight sensor in either direction. In this case, if I have it up, it's going to be hitting the soffit, so it'll be less to sense. So I'm going to have it down. And then we're going to take these, stuff them back behind. So it. And now comes the tricky part. It's taking this screw and making sure it lines up right in the middle with your mounting plate. Sometimes, if you're really good, it happens right away. If not, it might take a couple tries. I think we got it. And there we go. So that is it. That is how to change a light fixture. It's very simple. The next step that you would do to finish it off would be to take some caulk, go right around the edge to prevent any moisture from getting in there, and that would take care of the problem. Then you can follow the instructions to set your daylight sensor. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also share the video to help others. I encourage your comments below as well. And if you subscribe to the channel, please comment saying you subscribed. Thank you.